tell us the way forward. There is this consensus emerging on the Lal Street that 2024 might be an year dedicated to blue chips simply because mid caps and small caps have given such fabulous returns in 2023 that blue chip need to catch up. Now, are you a part of this camp? And if yes, what are the sectors within this particular segment which may outperform?
Sure. While you look at India as a market and as a economy, mid and small cap companies play a very, very significant role. And more importantly, when you look at the kind of valuation re-rating that you have seen in mid and small caps, that has actually been supported by significant improvement in earnings growth for this space. Having said that, in the very near term, yes, we are of the view that if you look at pockets of mid and small caps, there has been some degree of exuberance that has been built up. And therefore, one has to be a little cautious in terms of the kind of mid and small caps that you build in your portfolio and taking a slightly longer term view. So, from purely a valuation angle, in the near term, large caps do appear to be slightly better placed than mid and small caps. While, of course, as I said, in the medium term to long term, mid and small caps do have a pretty important role to play. Now, from a sectoral perspective, what we have believed in is that if you look at the earnings trajectory, domestic facing sectors continue to contribute significantly to the overall earnings growth for the markets. So, therefore, there are few key opportunities that we are playing out. One is the entire industrials, capital goods, infrastructure space. The second, especially now in the context of large caps and valuations, is the banking sector, specifically some of the large cap banks where valuations are favorable in context to the return on equity. The third aspect has been the auto and the auto ancillary space. The fourth has been the real estate and home building sector. And the fifth, incrementally, is the healthcare pharma space. So these are some of the sectors where we are positive.